Perik Beis Mishnah Ches. Halapid Tomei. This is a kli cheres in which one puts in, it's a torch, and it's basically made up of a little bowl. Into the bowl one puts paraffin and oil and wicks and schmatters, and one lights it. But the problem is that this little bowl has got a point. It wobbles. It's triangular in shape, and you can't put it on the table because it'll fall, it'll spill. So how is it used? The torchbearer has a long pole, a cylindrical pole, and the pole has an opening at the top. It's hollow. You take the plate with a point and you place it in the hole. So now with a stick, with a pole, you're able to hold the torch aloft. So the question is, Tanakama says it's Tomei, although in itself the bowl is not able to be makabel because the minute you put it down it'll spill. However, because the way its standard usage is to put it inside this cylindrical pole, and then of course it can retain the oil and the rest of the ingredients of the lamp. Therefore, because the normal usage is to use it in such a way, that's called osel kabel. Again, this is a basic lamp, a lantern, into which one places the lamp. But the chiddush here, says the Rash, is that it's only got a very, very small, shallow indentation in which the lamp sits. So most of the lamp is actually standing. Most of the lamp is actually standing by itself. The little bit, the bottom bit, the shallow part of the base contains the bottom part of the lamp. Although it's a very small base kibble, a very shallow base kibble, that's enough to be called a base kibble, and it's mekabel tuma. And the last case, the Mishnah is a masrik shel tzaratzur. Rabbi Eliezer metar v'chachamim metamin. Baltunur explains this is a kli cheres, a drinking kli cheres used for drinking. It's got a netting built into it so that flies and dust and other bits of rubbish shouldn't fall into the liquid, into the drink. And above that, the kli has got ornamental designs like a masrek, like a comb, not covering the whole thing, up and down, ornamental design all the way around. Actually, that bit is actually not roy lekibble. That's why Rabbi Eliezer is matayr, because it's not able to be makabel. And the chomim are metamin. They hold because this part of the masrek part of the tzaratzur, is actually bottle to the rest of the kli kibble because it's made lanoi, and therefore, if a sheretz is held in that section, so the chachamim is still matame the rest of the kli. Rabbi Eliezer holds if the sheretz is held in that section is not able to be makabel, and therefore the kli will not become tomei. This is in contrast to a Mishnah we see later on Perik Gimel Mishnah Daled Mishnah Perik Daled Mishnah Gimel, when a kli is broken and you have jagged bits at the top, where there's a machloikus about how wide the jagged bits have to be from each other, because there it's broken. But here it's made lechatchila like this, because this is the way it's made, so that the chachamim, it becomes whatever the size, doesn't make a difference, even if those shinayim, those teeth, are quite wide apart, because they are part of the kli, they're made l'shem noi, therefore they are part of the kli, and if have a din of toich, and if the sheretz is nitla in that section, then it's as if the sheretz has been nitla in the ikka kli itself, and the kli becomes tomei.